before. It was okay. Nothing to write home about. Except it better than me when I tried to trade the other minute ago. Okay, I'm going to go straight into oil. I'm using a 377 tick chart. We will not trade for the first 2 minutes after the report, basically letting the dust settle. Why 2 minutes? I don't know. Somebody taught me to do that. So far it's worked. Sometimes it's a little bit less than 2 minutes, sometimes a little bit more than 2 minutes, but be patient, wait for a setup. Okay, I'm going to step out of the room for just 2 minutes and I will be right back. You stay there, buddy. Has Muffin had her breakfast yet? Okay, that's my warning bell. So we're basically bouncing right there. Taking it up, taking it down, taking it up, taking it down. Start to get the Mexican jumping beans. These are really probably the bots, the black boxes playing around, trying to poke around and find out where people have stops and buys and everything. I saw somebody who would have a OCO trade where they would, in this case, have a buy above the highs and a sell below the lows and let it trigger and then immediately grab. You know, it's running ahead of the report. Still has 45 seconds to go. Sometimes I believe, I can't prove it. I have no information, but I believe that they play around and move the price ahead of the number, thinking that somebody will think somebody got the number in advance and got a leak. All right, we got about 7 seconds. Any guesses to which way it goes? I have no clue. Probably up. Oh, what, I had a 50-50 chance? Come on. All right, first reaction is down. Are we going to do a 1, 2, 3 or a 1, 2, 3, 4 move? Will we do a move down and a bounce up? Let's see. His that guy's probably with 20, 67, 27. He would have picked up, 10, 15 to 20 ticks on that move. But how much slippage you get, God only knows. I just don't play that game. All right, we'll get that bounce, and then we get a move right back down at some point. The volatility stop is showing 67.30, so we've still got another minute to go before we're allowed to trade. And what I'm going to do here is indicator. Let's do 1031 in each. So that wipes off any of the buy-sell indicators to the left of us, because if it was already in a trade, it won't give us a new trade. All right, the oscillators are curling up. That's 1032. Okay, if we get anything now, we'll be allowed to trade it. I'm thinking it's to the downside, guys and gals. We'll see. All right. Thanks, David. Now, the counterpunch trader system will want probably a break below the lows. We may not get it. I think a couple of weeks ago, correct me if I'm wrong, guys and gals, we didn't get a trade. Oh, there's a long, but it's what, up here? Yeah, it's up in
order pending.
Yeah.
Order filled.
It was beyond me, so I just had a market order. This is not showing right. Oh. Still think it's going to go down. We'll see. We're gonna have to get over this 6750 area. It's gonna battle that one. All this stuff to the left, it's gonna have to battle. We're trying to change. We have got the momentum oscillators pointing up. I've got a 20 tick
Target
stop.
filled.
Okay. All right, I got our money back and then some, folks. Love it. Absolutely love it. Got $220 out of that one, 22 ticks.